Hello, RCP family. I'm excited to share, for the very first time, Riverside County Probation is proudly participating in the 2025 Law Enforcement Torch Run for Special Olympics Southern California. This is an incredible opportunity for us to support a meaningful cause and establish a tradition that continues for years to come. The Torch Run is a 3-day event that brings together over 25 local law enforcement agencies to support Special Olympic athletes. During this event, participants will carry the Flame of Hope, which is on its journey to the Special Olympic Summer Games at Cal State University Long Beach. On Tuesday, June 3rd at 10:30 a.m., RCP will proudly begin our leg of the relay covering a 2.2-mile route through Moreno Valley. We'll run at a 12-minute pace alongside Special Olympic athletes, celebrating community and inclusion. This run isn't just about carrying the torch, it's about raising funds and awareness for these incredible athletes. Our goal is to raise $5,000 for Team Riverside County Probation, and every contribution counts.
When I first started volunteering with Special Olympics 24 years ago, I was voluntold. Reflecting on it now, I can honestly say it's one of the most rewarding experiences I've had as a law enforcement officer. The medal presentation was what hooked me. Definitely when I got to present medals to the athletes and the hugs they gave back to us, absolutely caught my eye and hooked me from there on. You may not realize this yet, but the bond between Special Olympics athletes and law enforcement in the Inland Empire is truly one of a kind.
Law Enforcement Torch Run represents not only the police department, it represents each athlete that competes in competitions around the areas and shows people that are non-disability that people with disabilities can do whatever they want to do. People can get involved in this, they can donate, they can come out and see the torch being held, cheer, make signs, anything you can help reach their goal to Long Beach. The donations benefit the athletes by giving us more opportunities to go to tournaments, get new uniforms, new sponsors, and more programs to go out to other counties. I've been supporting law enforcement torch run for a long time. I've been doing Special Olympics for 12 years now, and I never want to stop.
The Special Olympic athletes are the heart of this event. They inspire us with their courage, perseverance, and spirit. Let's show them how much we care and represent Riverside County Probation with pride. Join us, support us, and let's carry the flame of hope together.